Hello friends, myself Pijus and today I'm going to talk about a new device of Redmi. It's called laptop. Yeah, on 13 May a new device released from Xiaomi, a new laptop. So don't waste any time, let's get started.
হিট করুন রেড সাবস্ক্রাইব বাটনকে আর পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটিতে ঘন্টা বাজিয়ে দিন।
So now free. Note 7, Note 7 Pro, the smartphone like Redmi Note 7 is no longer Xiaomi. The branch company is launching as Redmi. It's already heard the Redmi is going to launch its own laptop next Monday. Redmi will launch flagship with Snapdragon 855 chipset on May 13. It is here that the first laptop of Redmi is going to come in the market on that day. Not very much information. It is learned that the Redmi laptop will be launched in China market nowadays, just like the Chinese market exclusive MI notebook. Like the smartphones, Redmi laptops are also known as budget gadgets. So you just stay with me. I'm sorry. You just stay with us and keep watching this video till the end. I'm going to inform you all the details of this device. So, Xiaomi is expected to launch a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 powered flagship phone on May 13. The company might also launch a Redmi laptop on the same day. Xiaomi will reportedly be hosting an event in China on May 13. At the launch event, the company is expected to launch a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 powered flagship phone. Outside this phone, it is also said to take the works of one more thing. A few reports assist that it could be a smart home device. Now a fresh report suggests that outside Redmi flagship and Redmi laptop will also make it doubt. Similar to Xiaomi semi notebook, Redmi is said to release their reports outside the flagship phone. So there could be a possibility that we might get a Redmi laptop, considering that Xiaomi already makes company. It is basically similar to Huawei and Honor, both sell companies and computers under the MacBook and MagicBook line respectively. So you can look like this device as a others laptops like Dell, Lenovo's and every laptops. So it's released in China, not in released in India. It's for China. Okay. So waiting for it when this device come to our India, then we will choose this device and we can buy it from Xiaomi side, means MI store. Of this device, wait for the date 13 May. Okay, so today that's it. And if you like our video, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another updates from Friends in YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please keep supporting us and stay with us always. And